You want to visit Malta for vacation, but you're applying from Nigeria or another non-EU country. You're not alone in wondering how to get it right, especially since Schengen visa applications can feel overwhelming. I'm Samson from Law and Visas, and I'll guide you through it step by step so you don't miss anything. First things first, Malta is a Schengen country, so you need a Type C short stay Schengen visa for tourism. This visa lets you stay up to 90 days in a 180-day period and even visit other Schengen countries during that time. Step 1. Confirm where to apply. In Nigeria, Malta usually uses VFS Global for processing. Book an appointment on their site and select Malta as your destination. Step 2. Get your documents ready. You'll need a valid passport issued in the last 10 years and valid for 3 plus months after your trip. Completed application form, 2 passport photos. Flight reservation, no need to buy the ticket yet. Hotel reservation or proof of accommodation. Travel insurance that covers at least 30,000 euros. Bank statements for the past 6 months to show you can fund your trip, employment letter or proof of self-employment or school enrollment, cover letter explaining your travel plans, and a copy of your national ID and previous visas if you've traveled before. Step 3. Submit your application and attend your biometric appointment. They'll take your fingerprint and possibly ask a few questions about your plans. Visa processing usually takes about 15 working days, though it can take longer during peak travel seasons. Pro tip, don't lie or submit fake documents. It can lead to a visa ban. Honesty and consistency are key. And remember, showing strong ties to your home country, like family, employment, or property, greatly improves your chances of approval. At Law and Visas, we help Nigerians apply for Schengen visas with confidence, making sure your application is complete, accurate, and ready to succeed. Still unsure about your documents or had a previous refusal? Drop a comment or send a message. I'll walk you through what to fix. Don't forget to like, share, and comment, and click the subscribe button for more honest, reliable visa tips.